So, got a hole through there. We good. It's pre-drilled. Now we're gonna start the other one right over here. If you can see that. And I'm gonna look, feel in the back to see if any wires or anything, because I don't want to drill through no wires, especially if it's the harness. Let me fix this here. I do got the foam stand. It's somewhere here, but that's a little flimsy too. All right, as you heard that, it drilled right through this here metal was steel, and we got two drill holes right here. We got two holes drilled in. Before I drill in the hole, the hex heads, I had to counterfeit it, you know, give it a wide circle here on this here 1x4. That way it will lay flush and I can run my finger straight through without having a lump. Okay, so that's how it go. It's your man_, let's keep it a bean.